Lorong 5 bulan Desember under lorong birthday anniversary of His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej the Great, National Day of the Kingdom of Thailand and Thailand's Father's Day, no celebração refere realize lorong tolo bulan Desember tinang ne, ia ballroom Hotel Novo Turismo Bidau-Leste dele. Iha discurso, embaixador Thailandia iha Timor-Leste agradece babainaka importante sirane presença ba cerimônia ne, no fosaimos kono ba Thailandia ni apoio durante ne ba Timor-Leste ni processo de desenvolvimento.
As I assumed my role as ambassador to Timor-Leste in February, I reflected on the long history of friendship between our nations, from Thailand peacekeeping participation during Timor-Leste's early days of independence to two official visits by Her Royal Highness in 2014 and 2019. It is both humbling and inspiring to be on this solid foundation during my first National Day reception. I would like to take this moment to honor my predecessors who worked diligently to nurture the warm ties we enjoy today. Looking back, 2024 has been a year of significant milestone in our bilateral relations. In June, our two foreign ministers signed the agreement on visa exemption for tourism purposes for holders of ordinary passport in Bangkok, which came into effect on the 22nd of November. This step reflects our shared desire to bring our peoples closer together. Also in June, General Bunsang Nyempradit, former force commander of UNTAED, led a delegation of Thailand Timor-Leste Parliamentarian Friendship Group to Timor-Leste. His delegation was welcomed with exceptional hospitality by Timorese dignitaries, many of whom he counts as lifelong friends.
E sorinseluk Presidente da República José Ramos Horta em discurso hatete, Tailândia apoia Timor-Leste desde uluk to ohin lorong.
On this special day, we also reaffirm and celebrate the strong and enduring bonds of friendship between Timor-Leste and Thailand. Thailand was among the first countries to establish diplomatic relations with Timor-Leste following our independence. Historically, Thailand played a prominent role in facilitating Timor-Leste transition to democracy and independence. In the aftermath of the 1999 popular consultation and the subsequent humanitarian crisis, Thailand demonstrated remarkable commitment by contributing peacekeeping forces to the United Nations missions and the International Force for East Timor Interfaith. Thailand's service personnel, led by esteemed leaders such as Major General Sung Kiti and the Lieutenant General Winai, serve with professionalism and cultural sensitivity, leaving an indelible mark on Timor-Leste's path to peace and stability.
Participa em aniversário ne, família bot embaixada Royal Tailândia dele, King Bhumibol, lihus embaixada Tailândia iha dele, hamutu com embaixador Tailândia, no convidados importantes Sira Hanesan, Presidente da República, Chefe de Estado-Maior General FIFDTL, segundo Vice-Primeiro-Ministro, embaixador Indonésia e Timor-Leste, no bainaka importante Sira Selok, inclui comunidade Tailândia e Timor-Leste.